Hello students, welcome back. Myself Chetna Upadhyay and today we will continue our third chapter in science subject. Okay, the three chapter has been done in GK. So today we will start our third chapter. We will continue our third chapter. Okay, and the exercises of this chapter. Let's see what is the exercises. True, false, and true, false. True false and fill up have been done. Okay, true false and fill up have been done. So today we will do the first question of this chapter, and which is classify the following fibers as natural or synthetic. The fibers are given here. Okay, and we have to classify into natural or synthetic. Okay, so nylon, wool, cotton, silk, polyester and jute. Okay, these are the fiber. So let's see. Classify the following fibers as natural or synthetic. Natural fiber, make two column, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Okay, make two column, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. In natural fiber there will be wool, cotton, silk and jute, and in synthetic fiber polyester and nylon. Okay, so let's move to next question. That is question number 2. In the numbering in the copy and the numbering in the book are different. Okay, in the question number, after question number 1 there is a true false, and question number 3 is fill up in the book, but in your copy the numbering will be different. Okay, so don't worry about that and don't be confused. Okay, so next question will be, from which part of the plant cotton and jute are obtained. Okay, from which part of plant cotton and jute are obtained? I hope you know the answer. Cotton is obtained from fruit of the cotton plant, and while jute is obtained from stem of the cotton plant. It is nothing, it is a cut. Okay, so cotton is obtained from fruit of the cotton plant, and while jute is obtained from stem of the jute plant. Okay, I have explained these things in explaining the chapter. Okay, so we know that we get cotton from flower of the cotton plant, and we get jute from the stem of the jute plant. Okay, and we know that also that the first the stem of the jute are soaked in the at overnight, and after that the jute fibers collect from stem. Okay, next, answer question number 3. Name two items that are made from coconut fiber. Okay, I am writing here two name, you can write others also. Doormat and rope. Okay, so you can write other things also. I am writing doormats and rope. There are other things also: doormat, floor mat and rope, basket. So many other things which are prepared by the coconut fiber. Okay, so name two items that are made from coconut fiber: doormats and rope. Okay, so your question number first, classify the following fiber as natural or synthetic, which is, we you have to make two column natural fiber and synthetic fiber and classify in different things. Okay, in two types. From which part of the plant cotton and jute are obtained? We know that cotton is obtained from fruit of the cotton plant and jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Okay, and name two items that are made from coconut fiber: doormat and rope. You can write other also. If you have any other name, you can tell me in the group. Okay, and your homework is, okay, draw these cotton balls. Okay, it is your homework. You have to draw this cotton field in your copy in the front of question number 4, which is in your copy 2. Okay, you have to draw this diagram in your copy. It is a field of cotton plant. Okay, you can see. Okay, and don't ask stupid question in the group, because you are confused and you are making others confused. So if there is a confusion, ask properly. Okay, कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनके मुझे क्वेश्चन ही नहीं समझ में आते, आपकी इंग्लिश इतनी गलत होती है उसमें, तो यू कैन आस्क मी इन हिंदी ऑल्सो. ओके, so that is your homework, and till then, thank you.